Ah, yes, my power supply that I built out of an old ATX power supply from a computer I took apart. It's been serving me quite well. It has all the essentials: 3 volts, 5 volts, and 12 volts. Even a high voltage side that has an output of around maybe 5 or 600 volts. Not huge, but it gets the job done. Sure, it may have a bunch of wires hanging out, but it's fine. I mean, it's not like it looks horribly ugly. Good. It's dead. I made a new one, and it's much better. You see, I was given this power supply. Ooh, nice chrome. It's beautiful. And this one doesn't have the hole where all the wires come out. It's all neatly tucked inside of it. Perfect. Oh, and the test leads, they don't keep coming out of the ports because they're actually attached now. And when I turn it on, when I turn it on, what happened? Shorted out the test leads. Anyway, when I turn it on, yes, it's got nice blue lights. That one just came on. They're fluorescent, so they take a bit to turn on, but it's chrome, because everything's chrome in the future. Wonderful. And a USB port. Now, you know what's great about this USB port? It's actually connected to the real USB wire, whereas this one, you have to turn it on, like actually turn it on, to use the USB. But with this one, it's always on, even if it's turned off. See, you can hear this one. It just turns on like an old piece of crap car, really. But it's really not great. It's ugly. It has wires everywhere. I made this piece of crap out of the box I got my old watch in. I use this one from an old power supply. So yeah, I actually charge my phone off this every night. But it has a power indicator as well. See, it's on 12 volts. I will set this to 5 volts. It shows 5. And on 3, it shows 3. Yes. Nice fan here. It's not as loud. And one other common problem I've been having with these leads is that I've had to use clips to hold them onto stuff, whereas these have little hooks, so I can actually hook them onto stuff, and yeah, I don't really need to use clips anymore. It's great. Well, there is still one problem with it. You see, when I turn it off, you can still hear a high-pitched squeal, and that's coming from the USB. If I put the camera up to it, you can probably hear it. If not, if you can't hear it, well, just know that it's pretty noticeable in person. But yeah, it's pretty loud. Not really annoying to the point where I can't sleep at night. I mean, I can't really hear it when I'm across the room, but it also has a lot of ports on the side, and that might be useful for whatever you need these ports for, I guess. When I'm experimenting with old computers, I can use that to power up old stuff inside of it, see if it still works. So even though those ports being there wasn't really my intention, it still might be useful in the future. Because in the future I might be able to take apart more computers, and that'll be great. Now, this fine piece of engineering may not have a high voltage terminal just like the old one, but why would I need such a frivolous feature when I have 30,000 volts in the form of a completely different machine? It's marvelous. Marvelous indeed. Yeah. Now, I don't need this anymore. So, if there's anyone out there that for some reason would like to buy it, my asking price is $30. If you think that's too much, then go buy one off Amazon. I don't care. Because I'm probably just going to scrap this anyway. In fact, there's a lot of good parts in it. So if you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, or don't, I don't care. But please leave suggestions in the comments below for what I should build. I don't care if it's stupid or dumb. And I really need an outro, don't I? Okay.